To connect a laptop to the RS, you need to have two cables: HDMI for video and sound, and USB for the touch port. Connect one end of each cable into the appropriate ports on the RS, HDMI, and then USB in the touch port. You want to make sure that you actually plug the USB cable into the proper touch port that matches each HDMI, otherwise touch won't respond. Once you've done that, then plug the other ends of the cables into your laptop in the appropriate ports. When the cables are connected, you can access the source from this end of the screen. When the TruTouch detects that something is plugged in, it will actually light up the button associated with that port in white. And then to access the source, when you touch the button once, it will give you a live preview of that source on this screen. And then once you see that, you can actually touch the screen to access that source.